Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our Shumatt channel. I'm Caitlin. Today, the product we'd like to show you is our injector nozzle. Now, follow me. And firstly, the product name is Comreal Inject Nozzle. Here, this is the brand logo. The quantity here is 10 sandwich pieces. The label product code the LLA149P2166 OE number 0433172166. Applicable inject number 04451203394. Support customized service. It's very hard. Take a look. On the surface, the logo and product name DLLA149P2166. The needle. 6 months warranty time. Quality is guaranteed. Alright, that's all the details. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.